Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. For this project, you would need a 10mm socket with a long extension, also to a 10mm wrench as well. In the center of this bracket is a bolt that's holding down the battery itself. You would need to unloosen the bolt to be able to take out the bracket, which will free the battery from the vehicle. Once you get your socket started, just keep turning it clockwise until that bolt loosen up, and you'll be able to free the bolt from the bracket to give you access to the battery. Okay, grab that bolt with your hand in the bracket. Next, just grab your 10mm wrench. And we're going to take off the ground, which is a negative here on this battery. Let's turn it clockwise until that bolt loosen up as well. You'll be able to take off the battery cable. Now this vehicle right here actually takes a group size H6. We recommend that every customer that use this H6 battery, you need at least 650 cold cracking amps as well to keep this battery. Now take off your positive, doing the same action you did with the negative, and the cable comes right up as well. Now you should be able to pull this battery right out of the vehicle. It's kind of like a tight squeeze. So just take your time, wiggle it until you actually get the battery out. Just watch all those cable wires. You don't want to pinch your wire though. Okay, now we're inserting the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Suggest that on this project you might want to, if you got some electrical tape laying around, you know, kind of like tape the these cables away from the entrance of the battery when you get ready to reinsert this battery back into this vehicle. But Matt is doing a great job installing this battery. He is our master installer here at Battery Guys Nation. Now we got our positive on. We're going to take that 10mm wrench and tighten up the bolt. And if this is your first time visiting us here at Battery Guys Nation, we are uploading daily of all makes, year of vehicles. We're also showing our recondition process too of what we do as well at our YouTube shorts. Please like the video, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you would like to see on the channel, and we'd like to thank our new subscribers as well for joining the channel. Now we got our positive terminal back on. Just turn that 10mm wrench clockwise until it's tightened up. And if you would like to purchase this battery, you can visit our website at Battery Guys with a Z. And get this battery at half the cost of going to your local national auto part retailer, shipped directly to your door. And this is how you install a battery for a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. We suggest that you want to use your hand and get that the bracket back down flushed. Then you just grab the screw yourself and kind of screw it in with your hand, and then tighten up with the long extension. Yeah, just tighten it up until it's actually tightened. You'll feel it once it's tight. Okay. Please share the video.